Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to insert a picture in our logo on Wix.com. So guys, I've created the logo and now I want to insert the image over here. Then how I will do? First of all, I am going to delete this one, and in this list, as you can see the left side on the screen, here you will see images. You have to click on it and you have to go with this upload image button. Once you click on that, then you have to upload media over here. You have to click on it and then you can upload these pictures from your Dropbox, Instagram, Facebook, all these suggestions. But for now I'm going to select in from my computer. I am going to upload picture from my computer over here, and now I am going to insert this picture from my folder and I am going to open it. As you can see guys, my picture has been uploaded over here, and now I am going to add it in my logo. So the picture has been inserted over here, but it is not much visible because of the background. I am going to add background behind this picture. I am going to shapes, and here I will select this square shape and I am going to change its color. I've changed its color into white, and now I am going to increase its size little bit, and this image I am going to keep this image on this square, and I've selected the image, and now I am going to click right on this image, and now I am going to send it front. As you can see guys, my picture has been visible to this on this square, and now I'm going to increase the size of my logo, and I am going to adjust the square and the image. As you can see guys, my picture has been inserted and I've edited it as my logo symbol. So same as you can also use your images as your symbol in your logo. So this is how to insert images on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.